Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create QuickBooks Online customer from Instagram lead ads leads. So I run a sports training center, and to promote my center, I'm running some Instagram lead ads. So here in this case, I want whenever a new lead is generated through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically using that detail, a new customer should be created in my QuickBooks Online account. So to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create QuickBooks Online customer from Instagram lead ads lead. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a sports training center and I use Instagram lead ads to attract new clients for our programs. So here on my screen, you can see my Instagram account and I have connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page which is named as Sports Elite Training Center. And here using this Facebook page, I'm running some Instagram lead ads. So over here you can see the successful connection which I have built between my Instagram account and my Facebook page, and by using this connection I'm running some Instagram lead ads over here. And here in this connection I've also connected my lead gen form. So here in this case I want whenever someone fills out their contact information to learn more about our services, I need an efficient way to manage these leads and convert them into customers. So here I want to connect my Instagram lead ad with my QuickBooks Online account so that whenever I'm going to receive a new Instagram lead through my Instagram lead ad, automatically using that detail, a new customer should be created in my QuickBooks Online account. So here by integrating Instagram lead ads with QuickBooks Online, I can automatically create a new customer profile in QuickBooks for each interested person. This automation helps me keep track of their contact information, manage billing, and streamline the registration process. It saves me time and ensures I can quickly follow up with potential clients, making it easier to provide a seamless experience and grow my business. So here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this Create Workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Create QuickBooks Online Customer from Instagram Lead Ads Lead. And here I'm going to select my folder as Automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect, you can click on this Learn More link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to our forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect. So moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and now here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram lead ads. So Instagram lead ads are a type of ad that lets businesses collect information from potential customers directly within Instagram. When users clicks on the ad, they see a form where they can easily provide their contact details or answer questions without leaving the app. People use Instagram lead ads because they simplify the process of gathering leads, making it easy for users to sign up or express interest while staying on Instagram. It's a great tool for businesses looking to generate leads quickly and efficiently, reaching a large audience where they are already active. So here in my Instagram lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead through our Instagram lead ads, instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture a response. And now here to connect my Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Instagram lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account, which is already connected to my Instagram account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So as I've already shown you that I have connected my Facebook page, which is named as Sports Elite Training Center, with my Instagram account. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to search for my page, that is Sports Elite Training Center. So this is my page. And then here it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So as I've already shown you that I have connected my lead gen forms with my Facebook page. So here you can see the connection. And here in this case, we are going to use a lead gen form, which is named as lead form new. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my lead gen form as lead form new. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here, after selecting my page and my lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Instagram lead ad. So here to generate a test lead, let me take you to Meta for Developers. So this is the homepage of Meta for Developers. And from here, I'm going to click on this more. And from here, I'm going to select tools. Now here under developer tools, I'm going to select a tool that is Lead Ads R2 Debug tool. Now here under lead ads testing tool, you can see it is asking me to select my page and my form. So here I'm going to select my page as Sports Elite Training Center and my form as lead form new. And now here to generate a test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form given over here. And now here I'm going to enter dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the preferred training program, I'm going to select group training goals as muscle building. And here for the first name, I'm going to enter the first name as dummy, last name as lead, email as dummy000@pabblytudes.com. And here I'm going to enter a random phone number. And now here, after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received preferred training program, training goals, first name, last name, email, phone number and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. And here I'm going to select my action application as QuickBooks Online. So QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based accounting software that helps businesses manage their finances easily. It lets you track income and expenses, create invoices, and run financial reports from anywhere. People use QuickBooks Online because it simplifies bookkeeping, saves time on manual calculations, and keeps all your financial data in one place. It's especially useful for small businesses and freelancers who want to stay organized and ensure their finances are in order without needing an accountant for every little task. So here in my QuickBooks Online action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a customer. So that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically using that detail, a new customer will be created in my QuickBooks Online account. And now here to connect my QuickBooks Online with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your QuickBooks Online account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with QuickBooks Online. and authorization successful. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my QuickBooks Online account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you are already logged in your QuickBooks Online account. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and now here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the display name. So here this display name is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank, but if you want to add any display name, then you can do it as per your need. And then here it is asking me for the first name, last name and some other details. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I have received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead through our Instagram lead ad, automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map my lead's first name. So this is my lead's first name. Moving forward, again this middle name is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. Here I'm going to map my lead's last name. Scrolling little down, here this title, suffix and company name is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. And here for the phone number, I'm going to map my lead's phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. Scrolling little down, and here I'm going to map the email address of my lead. Moving forward, and these fields are not a required field, so I'm going to leave these fields blank, but if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new customer in our QuickBooks Online account. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new customer over here with the name dummy lead and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we are going to generate a new test lead in our Instagram lead ad. And to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool. So here in lead ads testing tool, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead given over here. And after that, I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. Now again here in lead ads testing tool, I'm going to select my page which is named as Sports Elite Training Center and my form that is lead form new. And now here to generate a new test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form given over here. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the preferred training program, I'm going to select sports specific training. Here for the training goals, I'm going to select sports performance. And here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as demo, last name as lead, email as demo000@pabblytudes.com. And here I'm going to enter some random phone number. And now here after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our QuickBooks Online account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new customer with the name demo lead and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Instagram lead ads and our action as QuickBooks Online. So that whenever we are going to receive a new lead through our Instagram lead ad, then automatically using that detail, a new customer will be created in our QuickBooks Online account. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.